Ready to take your Minecraft experience to the next level with stunning visuals and performance boosts. This tutorial will show you how to use Nvidia's features to enhance your Minecraft world, using mods that leverage Nvidia's tech for an unforgettable gaming experience. Step 1. First, open your Minecraft launcher. Make sure you have Minecraft installed and that you've launched the game at least once. It will create the necessary files. Click on the Installations tab. This is where you'll manage your Minecraft versions and mod profiles. If you have a certain version you prefer, make sure it's selected. If not, you can create one by clicking New Installation. Next up, you'll need to find and download mods that utilize Nvidia's features. Sites like CursorForge are popular choices. Search for mods focusing on graphics, performance enhancements, or those specifically mentioning Nvidia, ray tracing, or DLSS support. Check the mod descriptions to assure compatibility. After you've downloaded your mods, open Minecraft and click on the mods button from the main menu. If the button is not present, make sure you have a mod loader like Forge installed. Don't worry, there are tons of tutorials on installing mods. Now, open your Minecraft game directory. You can usually find it by searching your system's user profile files app.a folder. Then, locate the mods folder or create one. If it doesn't exist, drag and drop the downloaded mod files, usually ending in jar, into this mods folder. Finally, restart Minecraft. If everything is installed correctly, the mods should load. Go into your game and experiment with the graphics settings. Look for advanced options related to ray tracing, DLSS, or other Nvidia features to find out if the mods are working and configured properly. Enjoy the enhanced graphics and performance. Have fun, and remember to always read each mod's installation guides.